In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at working with the iPhone 15 and working with C-Log footage. So what I've got here is I've opened up a document in Premiere Pro. I'm going to drag the video here down to the timeline. I'm going to stretch the video out so I can see it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute the audio so we don't have to deal with that. What you can see here that this is really washed out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down or up here, create an adjustment layer. Click OK. I'm then going to drag that adjustment layer down to the top of the footage like so. And again, you can see it's really washed out. So I'm going to select the adjustment layer. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a LUT. So I'm going to come over here to the basic correction tab. And I'm going to drop down the menu here. And I'm going to choose Browse. And then I'm going to choose this Apple log, and which will take it back to Rec 709. You can see straight away the difference between the two. And you can really get the full dynamic range. Then what you can do, what I then like to do is I then like to drag in another adjustment layer on top of that, like so. And then what I will do is I will select that adjustment layer, and then I will try to get the white balance off of that, like so. And then I will go from there. But, you know, this is amazing what you could do shooting in C-Log in order to bring, and then using the LUT to bring the footage back to what you want it to be. This has been a quick tutorial on how I use the iPhone 15 and then use Premiere Pro to shoot C-Log footage.